So in this video, I'll show you how to add masks to a video on CapCut. So I'll like this, import the video to your timeline. So if I want to add mask to this video, just select the video, go to this video, go to mask. So now check on this mask. So after you check on the mask, so it will automatically give you the mask like this now. So it would, if you check on the mask, you sometimes need to click on the add mask. So if you click on the add mask, so it will give you the shape of the mask like this. So the mask has different shapes. So the shape number one is split. So as you can see now, it will split the screen of your video. So you can like this. So to choose this where you want to just only show your video. So you play the video. As you can see now, it just hide only the part. It only shows the part that you want to show. So if you want, like, you can even like, if you scroll to down like this, so you can change the feather of the line like this. So now it paid the line of the video like this. So that's the split picture. So you can just even like pin like this one. So as you can see now, the pin here is how it works. If you can even like change the size like this, and you can even change, as you can see now, the feather. If you select it, scroll to down, so here you can change the feather like this. So you can just go ahead and play with it. So the next thing is now cycle. So the cycle, you can go ahead now and increase the size. You can make it to where you want to only display in your video like this, or like this. If you play the video, it will only show you where you want to get in the mask like this. So if you want to change the feather as well, you can just select it, scroll to down and change the feather like this. So as you can see now, here is it now. So the next thing now, you can even you can select this rectangle if you want. So if you want to, you can use the rectangle one, and you can apply the same picture to all of the, as you can see now, all of the shapes that gives you in the mask session. And that's it, guys, on how to add mask in CapCut. Hope this video subscribe and share. Thanks, guys.